It's very good to see you here. I want to invite you to my birthday party at 19 on Saturday night.
Saturday night? Sorry, I can't go to your birthday party. I have a workshop on Saturday night.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay if you can go to my birthday party.
Really sorry, I can't go to your birthday party. But I will send you a gift.
Oh my god, really?
Yes, of course.
Oh my god, thank you.
It's nothing, my sis. Really sorry, I can.
Gak apa-apa. Lanjut.
Paus lagi.
Udah.
Terus. Oh my god, really? Gitu kan ya?
Satu, dua, tiga. Ini, nah ulangin, nggak bisa.
Udah.